Hey everyone, my name is Christina and I am so ready to see all of your YouTube dreams come true. I want to welcome you to the new Small YouTuber Success YouTube channel, and if you have not done so already, please hit that red subscribe button so that you can join our small YouTuber family. We would love to have you, and also give this video a big thumbs up so we can reach even more people who are trying to grow their channels. So if you guys didn't know, Small YouTuber Success actually started as a series on my main channel, Christina Marie, which I'll have linked in the description box below. Basically, so many viewers were loving those videos and loving all of the tips about YouTube, and I realized how many people there are out there that have the same dream as me of wanting to grow their YouTube channel and wanting to start a successful career online. So I really wanted to give these videos and these tips the attention that they deserved. That is where Small YouTuber Success was born, and now it has its own YouTube channel, which I am so excited to introduce to you guys. I cannot wait to work on this with you. I could not be happier. I'm going to be uploading on this channel once a week, and it's going to have so much information that's going to help you grow your YouTube channel. Everything from starting a channel on YouTube, growing your channel, getting more views, subscribers, watch time, everything that you can think of that will help you be more successful on YouTube. So first things first, what even makes me qualified to give you guys tips on your YouTube channel? Well, like I said, I do have a main YouTube channel, and that has been able to grow to over 11,000 subscribers, and just in the last few days, I've been able to monetize my channel, which I am so grateful for. So having these things under my belt, I feel like I have enough experience to give you guys some tips and to share my secrets with you of how I've been able to grow my channel to 11,000 subscribers. So no, I didn't upload one video, go viral, and then all of a sudden I have 1 million subscribers, but in a way, I feel like this has helped me. It's pushed me to do more research on YouTube, to work hard, and find ways that I can gain success in other ways that I can share with you guys. I know how it feels to want something so bad and to want to be successful on YouTube, because it really is the dream job. So if you stick with me and you watch my videos, I know you will be successful. I've been able to find success on YouTube, and I'm so ready to teach you everything I know. I can't wait to see your dreams come true. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.